Hey, is Marvin there?
This is he.
Hey, Marvin, this is RJ Bates calling about your property there on Thompson Avenue. How are you?
I'm good, yourself?
Good. Hey, you had entered this on my website saying that you were looking to sell that property. Are you still looking to sell?
Of course.
Excellent. How much you looking to get for it?
5,000.
5,000. What's going on with it?
Basically, when I bought it as C. I paid like 80, 89, 85 all in. Right now the value of it is like 21. You know what I mean? But when I bought it, I was under the impression that I was going to rehab it and rent it out because the area goes for like 1,300 a month. And this is regular. This is not even Section 8 or anything like that. But slowly I came to realize it was too great of a distance for me to go back and forth. So I've basically just been paying, the taxes and things of that nature on it because it honestly needs full rehab. That's the issue. It needs full rehab, like full rehab.
Okay.
But that's basically the gist of it all.
Gotcha.
I don't have the time to put into rehabbing it. None of that stuff. So I say, you know what, man, let me just take a loss and just get rid of it. Someone else can, do with it as they may.
When you say it needs a full rehab, I mean, you know about the property. So, like dollars and cents wise, how much work do you think it needs?
To me, the last time I got like an estimate from these guys, they were telling me like 45, 50. That's what they told me, like 45, 50. You know what I mean? And they basically said I can get a return of, like 80K. At that time, this was like 2-3 years ago.
Gotcha.
Yeah. The roof has a leak. I'm giving the justice. This thing, no holds barred. The roof has a leak, and with the leakage is like it's never ending. One done nothing. They have like a tarp on it, but the roof still have a leak on it, and that's basically what it is.
Gotcha.
I was under the impression the roof was good. One rainy day I was there, and was the rainy day up there, and I looked at it, I was like, oh man, I was duped. You know what I mean? But at the same time, like I said, when I bought it, for the price I bought it for, the county estimate was 21, and that's a county. That's not even a real. The county always come way below anything. We all know that.
Right.
So the county estimate was that. So I already knew, I had a little something there, especially if I can do the job and get it done.
Does it still have those kitchen cabinets and everything inside it?
It still have everything in there, but honestly, I would tell you the honest truth, it doesn't really look like that anymore. It needs some work. This is why I'm selling it so cheap. So anyone can go in there and put that 50, put 60, and still get a return on their money.
Right.
Find it at 5. You know what I mean? But like I said, you would have to go and do your own, estimate and things like that. I had a roofer give me an estimate. He said for 6,000, you would have did the whole roof for me. This is what the roofers are doing in that area. And this was like 2 years ago.
Right.
You know what I mean? But
that sounds about right.
Yeah, I don't have the time to put into it like that. You know what I mean?
Right.
The guy told me he said for 15, he said for 5, you would gut the whole thing, and start over. So you're looking at right there is what? Level. You
right.
know what I mean? And,
right.
And, the world is your oyster from there.
All right. Well, let me look at one last thing here.
And I was ready to move on it, and then all of a sudden, man, and I bought it right before COVID.
Oh, man.
I was like, listen, man, it's not meant to be. You know what I mean?
I do know what you mean.
I just say, you know what? It's not meant to be, man.
Let's see here. Are the other little buildings right around there, are they vacant or do they have tenants?
You know, some of the properties in the area, they have, and most of the properties have people living there, like actual, you know, home owners. I don't know if it's tenants, but home owners.
Right, but I mean, it's occupied is my concern. Yeah.
Occupied. I had one gentleman I met when I went up there to do some lawn work. He bought a big property across the street, and he was in the process of rehabbing it and getting it back. And he said, you know, he's gonna buy a few more in the area if possible. This was 2 years ago. You know what I mean?
Right.
So a lot of the properties in the area are occupied, but the area that property is 20 minutes from downtown.
Right.
Their Home Depot, the big super looms, the shopping area, everything. That's why another thing that you know that drew my attention to the property. You understand?
I do.
Like I say, you can Google it yourself and see, you know, it's all there, fact.
Yeah, I see it. I mean, yeah, everything you've told me is true. So, all right, what I want to do is I want to send you over a contract for the 5,000. On your email, what I have is
company's name is N Building Merchant Investment, not mine.
I got you.
I'm over at that.
Okay. So I'll send over the contract, and then is there like a lot box on the property?
No, there's no lot box on the property. Last time I went there, I had to replace the lock. So I had to went to the tower lock and I had to replace the entire the lock of the front door, put a new lock on, and I basically have the key.
Okay. Are you available for us to be able to come out and see the property? Not today, but like later this week.
I really have to get down there because you know I'm in New York. You know this is one of my issues.
I see.
You know I'm in New York. The property is basically in Pennsylvania, so it's like a big travel thing with me.
And that's the only way we can see the property because you're the only person with the key.
Right.
It might be easier, man, just to like have you mail a key to somebody or to us or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I mean, dude, I don't want you to have to drive all the way down there just for I mean, we're literally going to walk the property for like 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know exactly what you're saying. 100%.
Like, that's a huge waste of time. I don't want you to do that. All right, we'll figure that out later this week. Let's start the process. Let me send over the contract, and then we'll open up title and we'll get everything started, okay?
No problem. So how fast you think you guys will close?
Probably somewhere in the range of 3 weeks.
Okay. Sounds realistic.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna try to hold stay lanes and all this extra stuff, right?
Well, I'm not going to lie to you. I mean, we do wholesale as well as buy properties. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this. That's why I'm going to go out there and look at it. But we'll be upfront with you and we'll let you know. I mean, we're not going to waste your time because we don't make any money wasting anybody's time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The whole thing with me is I be saying to anyone, I'm not trying to deter you from doing anything. Right. I basically am taking a loss, and I know I'm taking a loss. But
yep.
It's buying a property. I know they also have a lot of work to do.
Right.
So, I'm trying to close on this thing. Like even if someone say, listen, man, 4,500, no inspection, nothing, I'm willing to do that just so let's get this thing over with. I don't care if I have to come. I just am not willing to do that. I don't care if I have to meet them there sometime this week and just.
Yeah, I mean, my thing is that's why I'm not even trying to beat you up on price. I think you're being more than fair. I see where you're coming with. If it was completely fixed up, there's $85,000 properties around there but you're telling me flat out it needs $50,000 worth of work. That's a fair number. So, I mean, I think you're being more than fair. So we just got to get in there and just see, make sure it's still standing, that there's nothing too crazy going on. But I mean, listen, we do a lot of properties, so we don't waste people's time. We'll get this taken care of for you.
All right, I appreciate that.
All right, Marvin. Well, let me send over that contract. Will you have access to your email today to get that signed?
I have access to my email.
Okay. Give me about 15 minutes to write that up, and I'll send it over to you, and then we'll get the process started, okay?
No problem.
All right. Thank you, Marvin.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Also, please put your contact information in the email.
Yes, will do.
What's your name again?
RJ Bates.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, RJ.
All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.